Pimko Swan. You know that clip? Like I said the last time, in real time, honey, in real time, honey. Welcome back to my channel. I go by the name Bonalo Bodisha, the Queen of Branches. Child. If you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. If you are a returning subscriber, my regular my day one, my absolute favorite, welcome back, honey. Guys, the time now is 25 past 2 o'clock. It's Friday. It's actually Black Friday. Salma's gonna pick me up and we're gonna go have some wine. So I will see you when we get there. She says she's on her way. I'm just waiting for her. Oh, she's calling. Guys, I'll see you. Please like and subscribe. Hello, how are you? We good, thanks. How are you? Thank you.
I have a 2021 cup of this is a bit of 80% Chardonnay. So just a little bit of backstory to the farm. And the second glass over here is your last wine ingredient.
I love pinotage.
So we essentially
Let's see what Black Friday has. I wasn't excited about this year's Black Friday, like no. That smells nice. Thank you.
these guys in the place.
This dress is so cute. Love it. I come back. The girl is back, yo. I'm so tired. Yo, one thing about wine, it's a good thing I wasn't driving. It's still Black Friday. We went to Canal Walk to check out what's there, and the only things that I got, let me show you. I got a dress and this cute perfume from Zara, and then I got something for dinner. You guys saw the dress in the shop. I personally have gone to the till with this dress before, and then I went back deciding, oh my gosh, I literally unbuttoned my dress because it's like humming me. It's a nice short dress. Do you guys want me to try it on? Maybe I could. Maybe I could. I think I'd have to take off my bra. I absolutely love this dress. It was love at first sight. It really was. It really was. Oh, I actually don't have to take off my bra, but I know because it's like backless and stuff, I have to take it off. Keep me. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. I should have gotten a small so I get it like shorter. But anyway, it's fine. And then I got this baby. How nice. I got it at 49% off. I don't even know how you open this. It's so pretty. Let's take a video for love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, those are the only two things that I got. I have been craving salad dressing, meat. I'm gonna watch TV and I bought ribs and wings, my favorite combo from Mug and Bean. Let me show you. Favorite combo: salad, ribs and wings. Let me dish up and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. How y'all doing? Do you want to say good morning? Good morning guys. Salma is so irritated, which is good. We are literally waiting for people to come get us because I told you guys yesterday that I was going hiking this morning. The time now is 7:15. We were supposed to start hiking at 6. We made it.
You say because of
Hey guys, my battery's low. I left them behind because I'm a beginner and I walk slow, so they were taking pictures. So they're gonna catch up real quick. Can you see? This trail is so pretty. Let me show you. It's very pretty though. And we are walking up to there. Yeah, I wish you could see me along the way, but one thing about greenery, it makes my nose itch like a mama. Let's see how far they let me go now because I'm gonna get tired. I know myself. Are you catching up?
Yeah, it's good. Just stay in front.
We're taking a break. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah.
Right.
They went up there. Oh, there he is. Okay, cool. Hey loves, ooh, I'm so tired. I'm back. I'm finally back. Yeah, on my way back, I was listening to music so nice in the car. Like I didn't want to stop, so I decided, let me go to Rhonda Bosch Clicks and get a few stuff. Let me show you what I got. I'm so tired. Hiking trail was intense. It was 8 kilometers. We took 4 hours actually in total. Anyways, so these are the fruits that I bought. I already halved each to the ladies downstairs because yeah, they were most likely gonna get rotten. So when I get like things in bulk, I'll normally give it to the ladies downstairs. Went to Clicks. I just got a few stuff really. I bought chocolate, obsessed. I bought Domestos. I bought Sunlight. I bought a loafer. I bought these, what do they call them? These flush things. What do they call them? Full power, up to 300 flushes. I don't know what they call them. I call them toilet detergent. Really. And then I bought some toothpaste. And then I bought a spray and a gel. I want to see if I can work around my hair with gel, just to style it a bit and stuff. And then I bought a body wash, and I bought a lotion, some cotton wool, and I bought these Ariel pods. Yeah, what am I waiting? Okay, Let me go. How do I even look? Dodela. Oh. Hey, hosa pechi wanawa jalo wanawa kapa wanawa pan. Let me go wash. Hey, it's 6. I'm busy in the kitchen. How much do I want to put it on? I'm busy in the kitchen. I'm making some basmati rice. It's almost ready. I'm gonna make a spinach in there, and then I'm gonna make some lamb stew. Lamb stew, not lamb stew. Lamb stew, you feel me? I'm done with the rice. So I already chopped up my onion for the meat. My spinach is chopped, and I'm gonna add some peppers, and I think I'm gonna add some carrots. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready, my angels. Good night. I'm gonna eat and go crash. Welcome to church. Oh my word, what am I gonna do? You can't pass. You literally have to wait for me. No, don't do that. Where am I gonna go if you're hooting for me though? I don't understand. Let's go on that side. Good morning, everyone. Let's see if there's parking. Church is so full, guys. I don't know. There's like, that's disabled.
You can just go around for me. I think this guy said they will help you.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Hi. Thank you. Good morning.
Enjoy the Christmas experience.
Thank you so much. Morning. Where am I parking? Where am I parking? Thank you. Like, the kids here are so polite. Polite. It's so hot. Damn. Anyways, one thing about me, I will get coffee. I'm gonna go to the car wash now. Let's put on some shades, bump some, I don't know who I feel like listening to. Looking in the Sandton. Hey, let me top up my lipstick. There we go again. Hey, how you been? Where you been?
Hiding.
You've been
Bye.
Let me laugh. You're gonna regret it. So on a road, what happens when it stuck like that? Hey loves, so I'm at the car wash. Finally, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave my car here because Dennis wants to go somewhere, and then I'll come collect it when they are done with the wash. Hopefully he'll be done where we going. So yeah, it doesn't look as busy as it was the last time, so they might be quicker than expected. Let me tidy my car a bit, and then yeah, konje ke tlo etsa ceiling challenge.
On the ceiling.
Oh, ke tlo etsa sunroof challenge. How far is the place? How long are we gonna stay?
As long as we want. As long as Mreki wants.
And you are ready. Anyways, we are at, what is this?
Kilani racetrack.
Kilani racetrack. Is it only bikes that race here or anything?
Anything sports.
Okay, so we're just
admiring.
we're gonna admire. I don't know what I'm admiring because
We're not
I have
Ratadilo
no
because you wanted
business
to come along.
or maybe like
It's
I just
okay.
want to make up for the whole hiking thing.
Oh, far
I'm
from
just
that.
like
Far from that.
You see how a princess walks in Cape Town? Can you guys see? Princess treatment, one way, my baby, one way. Umbrella in my life. Sheesh. And there's more parking here. So me being the princess that I am, after we're done here, I'm just gonna wait here and the car is gonna come and get me. I love my life.
Your car drives itself. That's cute.
I don't have a car, so the driver of the car that I came
saying from
in.
the car wash. Hey. Okay. I have to see this.
And we are out. So it's about Dennis. What did I tell you about waiting for the car to come get me? And he was acting all extra. I was just like, please, you know you're gonna come get me? But now he left with the umbrella. What did I say? What I say? What I say? What I say? I said what I said.
Came to get my phone.
Thanks for coming to get me. How pretty. Thank you, Dennis, for the plug. I'm not like you. You are gonna say, yeah, whatever, yeah, that, yeah, whatever.
That's Dennis, man.
Thank you, Dennis, for the plug, but that mirror part is dirty. Thank you. You helped me so much today. It was a productive day. Thank you very much. You know it. Okay, so I just got myself some wine, meatballs, and I'm gonna make this cook in sauce Mediterranean tomato with some spaghetti. Let's go home. Hey loves, I am back in the house. I stopped by Woolworths. You guys saw that. I'm gonna make myself dinner. Yeah, it's not about dinner time now. 20 past 4. Let's get into it. Sensational. I was even getting ready to come chop onions and all of that. Let's take a nap, Sana. Nothing I won't do for you. Oh, I am so exhausted. This is gonna put me into nice sleep. Let's go chill. What are you guys watching on TV? You are so beautiful.
No? So?
Hey guys, I quickly wanted to come. I was planning on taking a nap, right? Literally, I was like ready already. And then I put on Nzwaki and I thought I was gonna fall asleep while watching something on TV, but it was so interesting. Well, one of the interesting things that she spoke about very early into the vlog, she got monetized. So yay, congratulations, babe. Cling cling. I was actually having wine. But yeah, so I took a snap and posted on Instagram. I hope she sees it, and yeah, it like just hypes her up. But another thing that she spoke about was, so she was saying she was watching Palesa Khachani, my friend. Love you so much, Kesana, and I miss you. Long story, but yeah. So she was watching Palesa Khachani's latest vlog, and Palesa was saying that her mom was saying that this thing of us YouTubers sharing prices on our vlogs is giving khokomanyan, and you know, like we bragging and stuff like that. So she was saying we must she was asking if Sabis can let her know if it's like and if we should or shouldn't share prices. So I had the conversation with Palesa already, because even like prior to her talking about it on her vlog, because you know, we girlies, we like girl, she's my girl, I'm her girl, we talk about pretty much anything and everything. So I already said to her, I feel like the YouTube culture, especially like the plug culture, like the purpose of it is to share prices. I believe, you know, this is what I got from here and there, and this is how much it cost. I generally feel like it saves you time to go to the store. Yes, you could see, if you don't share a price, you see the item, we say where it is. Now you have to go in store. Like, it's just a waste of time to only get there and you realize, oh, actually it's pricier for me at that time or whatever. Yes, I mean, you can Google it, but it's not everything that's on Google, right? So I honestly feel like if you look at things and you feel like people are bragging, I honestly feel like you have a problem. I feel like it's a you problem. And I honestly feel like 80% of people that do watch you or watch or subscribe and like what you do on your YouTube channel are happy when you share prices. I personally don't share prices because I've said a long time ago when I started YouTube, like there were people that were saying, please can you share this and then. I suck at prices. I suck at remembering how much I bought things for. I buy whatever I want, no matter how much it costs, but if it's like ridiculously expensive, then like I reconsider, or I have to save up for it. But I'm bad with remembering how much things are. So I told my subbies then that I will try to share prices, but don't think I'm not sharing because I feel like you guys feel like I'm bragging. No, it's generally because I forgot how much it was. And I didn't want to shift my focus towards remembering how much things are, but I am trying, and I personally don't have a problem with sharing prices. But anyways, I quickly changed my top because I was like half naked. If you know me, you know how I chill in my house. Nudeville. But yeah, Dennis called me to say he is on his way to pick me up. We're gonna check out what he mentioned earlier, Cape Town Lights or Lights Up Cape Town or something like that, but he wants to pass by the V&A waterfront, so we're gonna do that first. I didn't want to wear this top that I wore today. I felt so hot today. Yeah, okay. I'm so tired, yo. I was about to take a nap. Yesterday, ay. Oh, it's I actually didn't think you were gonna make it, eh? Is this where I reside? Is this where I live? Oh, I really got nice shots today, hey? Benyapi moya ngwele, benyapi. How got the benyapi? You know what? Remember when you showed me that video? Yamoto na parachute wala kometi. It was the clip that was playing.
I gotta flip it Zulu.
I was
No,
about to
can't.
say no. The problem is that you don't understand Zulu. So, benyapi nkosi yami, benyapi moya ngwele. And then do you know that one Elaya? No. There's one, yeah. You know how about lobots and then wapereko.
No.
And then nkalugel. No, like for real, nkalugel. Aibo. Violence.